Alright, let's be honest, guys. Do you ever feel frustrated with your life? Maybe you keep on pushing yourself, working hard, grinding on a daily basis, but then you realize you're not really going anywhere. And that makes you even more frustrated. Repeating the same cycle, you start asking, what's the point? But let me help you out. In this video, I want to break that cycle by giving you two things. First, an honest explanation of why progress isn't linear, and second, why what you are going through right now is exactly what you need on your way to success. Let's make this easier. Choose any successful person you want. Millionaires, athletes, artists, or even scientists. What do all these people have in common? Besides being successful, of course. Well, their progress line. That messy path filled with late nights, self-doubt, failures, and even bankruptcies. While the entire world celebrates the final polished results of these people, what most people don't understand are the years of struggle behind it. They understood something that most people don't, that progress often looks like failure before it becomes success. I personally believe that every step backward teaches you something that will fuel your next step forward. You can't just declare a goal and magically become that person capable of achieving it overnight. There's a process you need to respect. And depending on the size of your goal, that process can be very long and uncomfortable. The bigger your dream, the bigger the sacrifice. What feels like failure is often just part of the process. I'll give you another example. Look around you for a minute. The best example is around us in nature. Nothing blooms all year round. There are seasons, planting, growing, and resting. And sometimes growth starts happening internally way before it starts showing externally. There's one more important thing I want to discuss in this video. There's a trap nowadays we're all surrounded by: social media. As more people started making a living off of these platforms, they realized that it's easier to sell hopes and dreams rather than selling reality. So they present success as instant and effortless. But that's not how it works. Linear progress is the biggest lie nowadays. Real success comes with delays, detours, and lessons you never expected that you will learn. So all you have to do is cut out the noise, understand what progress really looks like, and ask yourself, what sacrifices does my goal require? Eventually, you'll accept the process and start enjoying the journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.